Alright, we have a 1966 Chevy Impala, and it looks quite a bit radically different just by blacking out that, stainless steel aluminum trim, whatever that is on there. So, of course, the Chevy motor with the HEI. Of course, it did not have HEI back in 1966, but good idea, the headers. You got speakers up there on the back deck, speaker in the middle with the Impala symbol. 666. Oh, so that's what it says there. Route 66 with a 6 on it. Anyway, automatic. You know, this car, I remember Dad had one of these with a 283, and they said tune it up, and ran really great, man. It ran really great. So. Yeah, that's the old 66. And later, a couple years later, they had 3 round lights in the back, which is the 68s, and 3 rectangular lights in the back, which is 69. That's in 65. They got bigger. The Impala 64 was the last year of they were like one size, and they got bigger in 65 and 66. Started getting more like luxury full-size sedans, but they were still, these cars were popularly raced quite a bit. More so the Camaros and the Novas, but these were a lot too.